The nested WoW trade is a very powerful setup as well. And it is a nested WoW is a zone, a nested WoW, a zone, a new imbalance, a WoW zone, which is located within a bigger time frame WoW zone. The more nested WoW zones there are, the better. And this is explained clearly like having a daily WoW long within a weekly WoW long within a monthly WoW long. All of them, weekly, monthly, are trending up. It's also good on counter trends depending on the power of the departure and all that. But we are gonna use now. I think it's a counter trend example on Aussie Kiwi, and you'll understand what I mean with WoW trend, with WoW nested WoWs. We've got a monthly downtrend here. Okay, press dropped and created a WoW. If we look at the 3 months, we also have a descending trend line broken with a full candle above the trend line, and this is a WoW on the 3 months. Price reached the proximal line on the 3 months WoW and reacted. It fell short of hitting the monthly WoW, which is here. So once that happened, okay, on the weekly, this is what we have. We've got an area of supply here that was taken out. It was overshot, so this area over here has to be a weekly. Okay, so we've got that area over there. Price rallied, removed, creating an area of demand. So sorry, there on the weekly. So on the daily, this is what we have. We've got a descending trend line, and we've got a daily WoW. Okay, so this daily WoW and this brand new imbalance on the weekly is nested within a 3 months WoW. This could happen also the same here. If we have this is a great imbalance down there on the daily. So if price drops down there, this could happen in the future in a few weeks. Price drops down there, creates, this is a WoW already, a monthly WoW. Okay, this is, let me clear this a little bit. This is a monthly WoW, okay, which is nested within a 3 months WoW long at all time lows. We've got another weekly WoW, and then on the daily we have that. Okay, so we've got a daily WoW long, at a weekly WoW long, at a monthly WoW long, nested within a 3 months WoW long. Price is falling short of hitting that area. This could be the level that changes a little bit the markets. We don't know. Price could do that, and then from there start doing all this again, which is on the daily you can see like that. Okay, creates a great imbalance there. We took some trades there. We took also trades there on that WoW. Okay, and even on that CP, we took some there. So, this is what I'm trying to say about the nested WoWs. The more WoW nested zones, the better. Okay, this is a counter trend example, but if this happens with the trend, like here for example, then it would be nice. Okay, same thing here. Price, so monthly area supply, price never pulls back to that area, so it's invalidated when it goes up with another trend, and the 3 months and the monthly area is created and all that. So same thing here. Oh, it couldn't make a high. So what I'm trying to say is that this is a counter trend example. This is not no WoW happened there, and it wasn't triggered. And when this happens with a trend, for example, there could happen and up there and all that, then it's great. Okay, this is an example of a WoW monthly. Okay, so there it is. This is what I was trying to cover. The more nested zones, WoW zones, the better. This here we have a 3 months, monthly, weekly, daily, and all that. So we can wait for that area to be hit, then start waiting for daily WoW longs, weekly WoW longs, and then price could start rallying. This has been tested once, twice, and price could make a high or even remove it. Okay, that's the way it works. Hopefully this is clear. The concept of nested WoW imbalances.